When we talk about user-friendliness in Dovra, which is important to us, this is, for example, one of the key features. Together with Mercedes, we have developed an application called Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control, MBAC. In this simple menu, we have 9 main scenarios. And as you can see here, they are easy to find, control and understand. We have an icon for lighting, the inverter, the water pump, the control for the heating system, the fridge, the awning, outdoor temperature, fresh water level, and last, the grey water level. Under each menu there are commands, options, and information. For example, under the grey water menu, you can easily open the valve electronically to empty the tank. Then I simply go back through the menus. All of these menus are easy to use, very intuitively. Which temperature do I want in my vehicle? Set the temperature to 20 degrees. Start the heater. And it continues. Look at this, for example. You can easily go into the awning menu and simply extend the awning with just a single press of the button. Another advantage of this system is that we've installed an extra screen just above the kitchen for easy access. Here, we have exactly the same functions as we do at the driver's seat. For example, from here I can start the fridge with a simple press of a button and set it to the level I want. Another thing that's also very easy to do is to start the inverter, meaning all the 230-volt outlets in the vehicle. I go into the inverter menu, press on, and immediately I have 230 volts in all the outlets. And by that, I mean all of the outlets. From this second screen above the kitchen, I control exactly the same functions as I do when I'm driving or when my passenger is using them from the front seats. Another advantage of using this MBAC system is that you can connect and control everything from your smartphone. The awning is perfect to operate from the phone. I can stop the rollout of the awning and continue operating it whenever I want, at any time, with ease. And stop it here, for example, which is just a right suitable spot to retract the legs and continue.